Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a bear. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line that curves up and a bump on top for an ear. From there, start with a slightly curved horizontal line that has another bump at the end for the other ear. And from here, draw a line that curves out, rounds back underneath, and curves back up to the ear like so. Then, dot the eyes and draw a very small sideways V shape on the snout for the nose. Finish off the head with a very thin line on the forehead. For the body, start here between the ears and go towards the right. Add one gentle bump here for the shoulders, then out for the back, and curve down for the back of the hind leg like so. For the rest of the hind leg, draw a curved vertical line here, followed by a short zigzag at the bottom with 3 points for the claws, and rounding back up to the other line like so. To draw the front leg, draw a very slim and tall S shape here, followed by a line from the head going down and to the right, and then turning straight down. Draw another zigzag here with 3 points for the claws, and curve back up to this point to finish off the front leg. For the other front leg, draw 2 curves coming down from the head like so, followed by another curved line here, and another zigzag and curve up again for the foot. For the belly, draw a slight curve between the legs here. And then, draw the last leg under that with a curve, a 3-pointed zigzag, and a curve back up like so. For the tail, draw a very small nub at the back. For some added texture, draw some small W and V shapes on the body to give a fur texture. Just a few are enough to get the idea across. And now you've got a bear!